So we're back at the track for the last time this year. It's a daytime running, and I love running in the daytime. It's just, for some reason, it's so much better. We got the new mufflers on, so I'm curious how those are going to do. I went for a drive last night, and it was booking. It was really good, but quite a bit cooler than it is now, but whatever. We'll see how it goes. It's a slight tailwind today. Not major, but slight. Usually we have a headwind here, so that's good. So yeah, let's go get in the staging lanes, and hopefully we can do pretty good.
Heck yeah, let it be.
Holy shit! I ran a 12:53! Oh my god! At 109.97? Holy crap, it's way faster! Wow! So I just got back from the track. I forgot to make an outro there, but I am completely shocked and overly ecstatic because a 12.5 at almost 110 miles an hour. I never thought this car had a 12.5 in it on its best day with its best launch. But here we are, and I have a hard time believing that I picked up nearly 0.3 and 2 mile an hour simply from a muffler change. I mean, yeah, I lost 12 pounds, but that's really hardly nothing. Yeah, there was a bit of a tailwind, but it wasn't much. There were other cars there that I recognized, and they weren't setting new PBs for mile an hour. I didn't see any big gains there for anybody else. The weather conditions I expected to be really cold because it's, October, coming to the end of the season, last run of the year. Wasn't that much different than the last time I was out on the 16th. So, I don't know. Maybe it is from the mufflers and that alone. I don't know. But either way, I am blown away. So, maybe there's something in the data that will tell us why it picked up so much. So, let's take a look at that. Looking through the data, I did notice some differences. First, the coolant and cylinder temperatures were quite a bit lower than my previous run in September. I knew this was going to be the case as the 12.5 run was my first run of the day after sitting for about an hour, so my coolant temperatures were very low, while my driveline temperatures remained hot since I drove 45 minutes to the track. This is an ideal situation. Comparing the time slips, you can see the air temperatures were slightly cooler in September, but the air quality was overall slightly better in October, with the density altitude almost 200 feet lower. However, my car has never really responded to better air conditions, as I have ran 12.9 at 107 with a 4,300 foot DA, as well as a 2,600 foot DA. You can see all the data points on the time slip were better, but also my increments were significantly better as well. The 60-foot and 330-foot data can be heavily influenced by the launch, but from the 8th mile to quarter mile, it is all down to power. I gained almost 23 miles an hour on the back half and picked up nearly a full tenth. So while I don't think the entire 0.3 and 2 mile an hour is simply down to the Borla mufflers, the data suggests that is the biggest factor. I may have to put the car on the dyno just to see for sure. And if you want to see that, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and also leave a comment on how much more power you think it is now making. Thanks for watching.